Yeah, Opala. What are you doing here?
Excuse me. Let me call you back, boy.
What are you doing here? Eh? Peace. What are you doing here? Hey. Wait, please, let me even ask you. Do you even have a job? Do you have a job in this compound? Why is it that every minute is either you are in one corner calling one idiot or you are at the backyard calling one animal? Don't you know your job? What is your work? What did they employ you here for? Eh?
Cletus, is this your duty post? What is your business?
Don't you know my duty post? Okay, wait, as the chief security officer, what is my job? Don't you know that my job is to walk all the nook and crannies of this compound, checking and catching meandering people like you. So that I'll be catching you. Every minute you are calling. Even your guests like you, guests that dresses well like this. You see them calling people like Ego Muzona Mozambique. They will be calling heavy men that has money. Your own is either you are calling Uchenna Grease or Emeka Ntu or Peter Afano. You don't even know any important person in your life. All the boys you dated in your primary school and secondary, you are still dating them till now. No changes. Oh, you are. See, let me tell you, instead of me to have this kind of crowd, because your relationship is too crowded, old and new, you have all the boys in this area, you have their numbers and they have yours. Reduce your crowd now so that you cannot have peace of mind. There is nothing like peace of mind for you because you are too crowded. Please leave here. Leave here. Leave here, please.
Respect yourself.
Peace. Peace. Reduce your voice. Reduce your voice in this compound.
Cletus.
Get away.
Cletus. Why didn't you open the gate immediately I knocked now?
Sorry. See, I was here. I was seated here. Next thing I saw that winch. She ran to the backyard. As the chief security officer, I followed her up. And I met her there. I come meet her. She did there, they make her. Lo and behold, now me and you, this girl, they gossip about. Me and you. I match them. I give them fire to fire. Give them fire to fire. I did where they fire them. Now you can't push the gate. I can't say, okay, make I can't know who they
are. You sure? Are you sure?
Which one be, am I sure? I don't lie for you before. Even if I lie, you don't say I don't feel lie for you. My love. Chai, the woman after my heart.
You're making me shy.
Why shy you shy? You don't need to be shy. Baby, let me do the shyness for you. Oh. My love!
No, now. People will see us now. Let me go and do my work. I'll come back later. You know now.
I know. I know. Die! Oh! Baby, you don't say this work, Seth. I forgot come out since. Now you keep me. How much did they pay? Now you be the reason why I still there here. I still know. Die! This life is sweet.
You all know that my father-in-law's birthday party is today.
Yes, ma'am.
And I want to throw a surprise party for him. So I want you all to be at your best. I want everything to be perfect. Do your duties diligently and perfectly. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do not disappoint me today, please.
Okay, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. We are to service, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are to service.
Very good. Okay. It's all right. Please, call the gateman for me.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, oh. Peace. Peace. Now me you slap like that. You know, Grace? Something they worry you. Why I even ask you? Why be say anytime why I dey like this, why I want just dey calm down, enjoy myself. One problem or the other go follow you like this, carry you, come dey distract me. You dey mad? Like I don't dey give you this warning. One day I go just carry my hand like this before you even do papa. Don't chook hand inside your eye. Come on for here. All the time because they carry problem dey waka waka. Your name na peace, but na wahala they suppose call you. Mumu. Be careful.
Cletus, madam is calling you.
If madam they call me and then so now because say madam they call me, now make you just carry your two left leg waka like us reach here come dey talk nonsense. If na madam they call me, wetin happen? The last voice of God wey we dey wait on the last day, na madam voice e go be. Make I turn to akara or boss inside oil immediately, make them fry me because say madam they call me. Now make you carry your hand where I don't know whether your papa na carpenter won't break my leg. Come on for here.
Are you done with your blabbing? If you are done, like I said, madam is calling you. Or should I go and tell her that you said you are not coming?
Come. Peace. Come. Come. You never reach like that now. Why you dey talk too much? See, you think say I don't know your plan for this house? You. It should be your plan to make them pursue me for this house. You the plan make them pursue me. Your plan to make them pursue me. But make I shock you. Make I give you this promise. You see me? Before I come out for this, in fact, any day when I carry my bag, they leave this gate, you come be saying I pursue them, pursue me. The promise where they give you be say you go carry your own bag for head, they follow me. You no get as you go there here, I go first you come out. Mumu. I don't know clothes where people they wear there for office. You go wear and they kitchen, they everywhere, they form on top. This we don't who they wear tie for house. Mumu. This thing for office, people wear for laptop, now they use this kind of dressing there. You go there here. You go buy tomato with this dressing.
Madam,
buy onions. Buy your cousin.
Madam
with
is
rubbish.
calling you.
Come on for
This
here.
will be the last time I will take this from you. Stupid, that species, that stupid girl said you are calling me.
Who is Species?
The other girl, the tall one, when no two get sense. How that one? Whenever they here.
What is wrong with you?
Huh?
I said, what is wrong with you?
Sorry?
You're just a fool. Look, I'll be expecting some people here today. And I don't want you, for whatsoever reason, to leave that gate. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. And the cake woman will be here shortly. I want you to let her in and let me know as soon as she's here. Okay. Do you hear me, Cletus?
Yes, ma'am.
Cletus, am I clear?
Sure. Thank you.
You can go. Fireworks? No. Look, I want something special, not dramatic. I don't need... No. Just get me some lights or something. Yes, okay, that sounds fine. I like that. Hold on. Yes?
Ma, we are done. Everything is ready.
Okay.
You can come take a look.
All right. I'll join you.
Okay, ma.
Right. Yes. That's fine. There's this other one I saw at your store the other time. Yes, I like that one. Okay. You can send me pictures.
Thank you so much. I didn't expect such a big surprise from you. My family is the best.
Oh yes. all thanks to our son here and his lovely wife. He made your birthday and arranged everything.
Point of correction. All thanks to my wife. She planned and arranged everything. No matter who planned it, I'm thankful to God for having all of you in my life.
We love you, Daddy.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So, well, Daddy, I love you so much. I love you too, son. You know, everything I am today. So on this auspicious day of yours, I pray for God's blessings. I pray for God's favor. I pray that God will grant you your desires. Amen. You will live long. You will live and see your grace. Amen.
Hip hip hip! Cheers!
Happy birthday. You know, I can't believe I've not seen my phone since yesterday evening.
Where did you keep it? My phone is in the children's room. I'll go and get it and call your line.
You just have to go and get it now and help myself a bit. Myself.
It's already looking good. Thank you. I'll be back.
You're on alone. Yes, this is Barrister Desmond speaking. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't think it will be possible today because I just finished seeing a lot of people and I'm already exhausted. So definitely tomorrow will be better. Okay, thank you for understanding, yeah? Alright, you have a nice day. Yeah, that reminds me, Dr. Fred called me and I forgot to call back. Yes, Dr. Fred. Oh, Dr. Fred. Welcome. Yeah. Thank you for coming. You know, actually, I'm very sorry for missing your call. When I realized I missed your call, I had to call back.
Okay. Yeah, you know, I called you, but you weren't taking up your calls.
Don't mind me. Yesterday was my dad's birthday, so I've been running around trying to fix things, you know. So I didn't know where I dropped my phone. But it's fine.
The reason I called you yesterday was to inform you about what Pamela did in the hospital yesterday.
Doctor, what about her? What happened?
Pamela had to bite a patient in my hospital and the wound was terrible.
What?
Yeah, I took her off for diagnosis and in order to ascertain what her problem actually is, but her issue is complicated. I also observed that this minute she's happy, she wants to play with everyone, then all of a sudden she gets angry and wants to destroy everything in the hospital.
Doctor, see, I'm very sorry about it. I'm very sorry, okay? What about the girl she beat?
She's fine. Yes, she's fine.
This is very bad. So, doctor, what do you suggest? How do we go about this Pamela's issue?
Once the result is out, I'll let you know. You know, she has been with us for over many years now, and yet we can still get to find out what the issue is. But I believe with time, we just get to find out whatever the problem is.
I just have to wait for you. When the result is out, you can inform me. Okay, let's take it off from there.
I will let you know.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
I'm just doing my job.
Thank you so much.
All right.
I'll call you later.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
How do I get through all this? I don't know why all these things are happening to me. I don't know.
Honey, what is it? You're not sleeping.
Baby, it's nothing. I don't know why I'm not feeling sleepy. It's fine.
Lie down. Come on, lie down.
Okay. Am I going to sleep with the way you're holding me?
Yes, I'm sure.
If you say so. So, doctor, how did it go?
The result is still the same as always. I observed that she suffered from personality disorder, which simply means a change in behavior. What marvels me is that she's getting dangerous by the day. Can you believe that she had to beat my nurse yesterday during her test?
What?
Desmond, I suggest that you take her home. All she needs is love and affection. I believe this will make her feel better.
Doctor, you see, I don't have any problem with bringing her home. The problem here is my wife. I don't know if she will tolerate her. I don't think so.
Desmond, aside being your family doctor, I am your friend. See, I believe if you talk to your wife, she will understand. She will understand. Pamela needs love and affection.
Okay, I will try. I will try my best to talk to her.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You've been helpful. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Baby, it is actually very important. I want you to understand me. You know, I don't want you to get angry. I just want you to understand.
What is this thing you want to tell me, and why do you think I'll be angry? Why are you looking so scared? I'm your wife, for goodness sake.
It's about Pamela.
Okay. What about her?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have mentioned her name, but Dr. Fred said it's better to bring her home to stay with us, like to stay with her loved ones. You know, it will help her.
What? Excuse me. What are you saying? You mean you want to bring that girl into this house? To our home?
Baby, she has been in the hospital for years, all alone. We need to bring her here to stay with people that loves her.
I don't care. I don't care if she has been there for eternity. She's not coming here. Is she the only one that has a family? Or is she the only one in that hospital? What are you saying? She is not coming into this house.
Can you just stop?
I am not talking about this again. She is not coming to my house.
Then what about me? What about my psyche? What about the guilt I feel over it? That I have my daughter in the hospital waiting away? Can't you just help me and take this away? Please, baby, can't you just help me?
You're not bringing her to this house. And that is final.
Baby.
Could you turn off the light? I need to sleep.
God, what's up with you now?
Oh,
Mr. Welcome, I've been knocking since.
I'm sorry. Thank you. I was just lost in thoughts. Have a seat.
My man, talk to me. You look so worried.
I'm messed up. Big time.
What's the problem? Talk to me.
It's about Pamela. You know, I went to see her doctor.
What about her? Is she fine?
The doctor said the only option is to bring her home.
We should pose as a danger to your family members.
You see, that's the problem. I thought about it, so I had to call the doctor. I asked him, he said, if we show her love and affection, then we are safe.
Oh, have you talked to your wife about the whole thing?
That's the problem. I talked to her last night about it.
Positive reply?
No. Of course, no. You know, I tried my best to convince her, but she refused to listen.
I understand how she feels, but she should at least consider the innocent girl. It's not her fault that she's like that, you know. Try to talk to her again. I believe she will listen.
Sure, I will keep trying. I mean, that's my daughter we're talking about here. So, I'll keep trying to talk to her.
Alright, anyway, if you need to cool off, maybe probably go somewhere and have some lunch together.
I think that will go a long way. I'm coming. Thank you for that. It will go a long way.
Okay.
What's this all about? What is this about?
Hello, Mama. I'm fine. Okay. No, Mama, it's not that. It's Mama Desmond is the problem. Mama, can you believe that he's planning to bring back Pamela into this house? I don't know. But I'm really worried. I'm scared. I don't want any external person coming to my home to cause problem for me and my family. I don't want that. Mama, please. The reason I'm calling is I want you to please talk to him. Please try and see reason why he shouldn't do this. Let him. He shouldn't do this, Mama. That's what I want. Just help me talk to him. I'm sure he will listen to you. Okay, Mama, that's fine. All right. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. All right, I'll be expecting you. Bye, Mama.
thing there? Which kind of thing be this? You not see bell there? Una go see bell, you go leave bell, they shake. I know everything they want teach una for this life where una come. Who be that person? Don't touch that gate again. Who be that? Hey, madam. Madam, sorry, I beg. No verse. Hey. No mind my manners, eh? No mind my manners, I beg. This kind of compound, I don't even know what thing they happen here. You go just there, one person go from somewhere. Fuchichi, ruko, kakronalike. You go just see them, piam, they go, they pass. Wahala everywhere. I beg go. May una they tell us, so anytime we wahala one boss here, may una tell us we where they close to gate. May we first una do them. I beg. Don't know what thing they go on here. I can even begin to find vacancy another place.
How are you now? What happened? This one you came this early without informing me. You didn't even respond to my greetings.
Desmond, what is good about this morning when you want to reign your family?
I don't understand.
Make me understand that what your wife told me yesterday was a lie.
What did my wife tell you?
You want to bring Pamela back to this house?
That is it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what I mean, mother? Yeah? Is Pamela not a human being? If I decide to bring her back home, what is wrong in that?
Spare me that! If she is a human being like you said, is she normal? How can you even think of bringing a psycho into your own house? Have you forgotten how dangerous and violent she has been since her childhood? Have you forgotten? This is a girl who used pencil to pierce her fellow girl's eye many years ago. And you want to bring her into your own house? What is wrong with you? Did you even think about your children and wife's safety? Did you?
Mama, I don't even understand. Why are you raising your voice? It's too early to be shouting. What are you even talking about? Eh? Talking about safety for family. Is Pamela not part of my family? If I decide to go and bring her back to this house, doesn't it mean I care for her safety? What are you talking about?
I will never include that girl as part of my family. She shares nothing with us and we never.
You can say whatever you want to say, Mom. But I've already made my decision and that is final.
Really?
Well, you made the decision alone. As you can see, it's already getting late. I need to go inside and get ready for work. Have a nice day.
Desmond! You have a nice day! I should have a nice day, Desmond! God!
Come and open the gate for me. Come and open the gate for me.
Which one be Cletus? Come and open the gate. Now you no get respect. Eh? You know not say if you reach here, you go first declare your mission. Where you they go? I be you think say apply I dey for here. You just come. Cletus, come and open now. Something to worry you. Come on for here.
Cletus, since when did it become your business to know where I'm going to?
Since when you no get sense again? Yes, since when you no wan get sense again? Say na me be the general overseer of this girl. You think say na play I dey here? You don't know say before you go come out here, you go talk where you dey go. And if you come lost, wetin go happen?
General overseer. I can see. No problem. Let me go and tell madam that I refuse to open the gate for me to go and buy what she sent me.
Come. You never reach like that now. Which one will let you go and tell madam? You for tell me simple thing. Una no dey get sense to talk simple talk. But if they there to just come here and say, Kratos, open gate, madam send me to buy something. Why una no dey sabi talk for this life? Simple talk, una no sabi.
Come and open the gate.
No vex, may I open am for you?
Better.
Come. Please. As you dey go now, take this. You see that small chemist where they for that small market where they go now. You get one fair boy where they inside there. Tell him say na me send you Cletus. Make he just help me tie 2 condoms for you. But just make he tie and bring.
I should go and buy condom for you.
Hey.
What do you want to use condom and do in this house?
Why they shout now?
What do you want to use condom and do in this house? Let me go and tell madam.
Go. You never. They go your way. They go. Make I open gate for you.
Come on, open this gate. Rubbish.
What it be? Condom? Now you know.
Open the gate.
What's in the inside condom?
If you say it again, I'll go and tell
madam. Let me say you don't know what's in the condom now. What are the condom? I shock you like this. If condom, only condom shock you like this, the matter with whether they use condom do it go kill you now. Hey! See, I for take put myself for trouble. Why be say for this life now? People wey no get sense now, then they always rush go dress well. See as this get dress well now, you go think say you get sense. Small condom where people they buy, even dash each other. Even for event, then they dash condom. Help me buy 2. What do you do? You don't begin shout. I tell you what use condom do. I want use and cook the rough rice. Hey, see that for me. Use my own hand to put myself on top.
Come in.
Barrister Desmond.
My doctor.
My good friend.
How are you?
You're very well.
You're welcome.
I was around the neighborhood, so I decided to stop by your office and see how you do.
Oh, that's nice of you. So, thank God you're here.
Okay.
Pamela, how is she? Is there any news, any information?
No new story, same old. But she's fine. She's fine.
Okay. Fine.
Have you been able to speak to your wife in respect to our last conversation?
Well, I did, doctor, but she didn't sound positive. Never mind, I already know her type of person. I will keep trying to convince her. I believe she will give in.
Is that right? The good thing is that you tried and then keep talking to her. I believe someday she will change her mind.
Exactly.
Okay, so I have to take my leave now.
So fast?
You know I have patients to attend to.
I know. Doctor and emergency.
So I said, let me check up on you to know how you do. I need to rush back to the hospital.
That's doctors for you. Emergency.
All right.
I'll come around your side.
No problem. At your own time.
Right.
Okay.
Baby, please try and understand. Why is this sounding new to you? Baby, look at me. Look at what I have become. Your once happy and cheerful husband. Are you happy seeing me this way?
No. You know I'm not happy seeing you like this.
Then you need to do this for me, baby. For God's sake. We are life partners. You've always been there for me. I just need you to be there for me one more time. Please. Help me out.
But...
Oh, baby, I know what you want to say. But you can do this. See, have you forgotten how you've always been there for Pamela? How you've always provided for her? Come on, Pamela's mom used to be your friend.
I know. I know. I don't know why I got so scared. I got so worried when you mentioned that she was coming to stay here with us. I'm scared. I'm worried that she's going to hurt my children.
Baby, you don't need to be scared of anything. See, if we show Pamela love and affection, she can never hurt anybody. I guarantee you that. Please. Maybe please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I won't accept it. I'll think about it.
Thank you for accepting to think about it. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Clara, I need to tell you something.
I notice you've been worried about something. What is it?
It's about my husband.
What about him? What did he do?
Can you believe that he wants to bring Pamela home?
So?
So I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I'm scared that she might pose a threat to my family.
See, babe, don't forget that this girl in question is part of your family. There's nothing to be scared of. Just relax.
So what do you suggest I do?
Support your husband, of course. See, I know the girl in question is a psycho. But she might become someone great in the future and turn out to be a blessing to your family. See beyond your fear and accept her back. There's nothing to be scared of.
Fine. I've heard what you said.
Oh, good.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, no problem.
What's that? What's that? It's just a little.
No, someone was trying to strangle me.
Nobody's here. It's just me and you here. What's going on?
I'm very sure someone was here. Someone was trying to strangle me.
Babe, come. Look at me. See, nobody's here. It's just you. Okay? So you just have to go back to sleep. Nobody is here. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure. Very sure. Come, go back to sleep. Nobody's here. It's just a nightmare, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Nobody's here. It's here. you for understanding me.
Thank you for being my husband.
And thank you for being my wife. You know, all these things wouldn't have been easy without you. Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's nothing. Alright, enough about us. So, I'm thinking about getting something for her. I need to get like 1 or 2 things for her. Wow. What do you think?
That's a good idea, of course.
So how do we go about it?
Well, I think both of us will go and get it together tomorrow. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's why I love you.
I love you too.
Hello, Pamela.
How are you?
Your food is ready. Don't worry, okay? You'll be fine. Alright, I'll take my leave now. See ya.
Pamela, I asked them to get food for you. I hope you like it. Are you okay? If you don't like it, I can get something else for you. Alright, see you. Why are you acting like this? What did I just see? Was it my imagination? Is it my imagination? Mirabel, are you going crazy?
I'm coming.
Yes.
I'm coming. Baby, what's the problem? Why are you banging the door?
It was locked.
For real? It wasn't locked. I just opened the door now.
I didn't lock this door. It was locked, but I didn't lock it.
It's okay. Maybe you mistakenly locked
didn't. You know what I'm saying? I didn't.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop getting yourself wrong. Okay? No, it's fine. You can get back to sleep. You just leave me. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, this is Barrister Desmond. What? It worked? Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, pardon my manners. Alright, fine. Thank you, Thank you. I appreciate it.
Man, I'm really happy for you. This is something you have always wanted.
I can't believe I got this. I mean, all thanks to my dad. You see, my dad used to say you need to work for the people that you love.
That's absolutely right, bro. So, when are you going to come back from the trip?
It's actually a 1-week trip, so I'm coming back next week.
Sure, that's okay.
Yeah. So how is work?
Man, I thank God, but I'm yet to receive the funds.
That's not a big problem if you ask me.
Man, me too, if you ask me, I would say it's a problem on its own.
Boys will stop you from doing anything. Yeah.
Exactly, man. But, so when are you going to see, are you still going to see Dr. Fred?
Dr. Fred, yes. I need to see Dr. Fred now. Like, I need to start going there now.
Maybe we'll go together?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Nice.
Barrister. Seems like you're on your way out. Yes. I have a sorry. Any negative change?
Not really. But she doesn't talk too much. She doesn't relate with my family members. My kids loves to talk to her a lot, but she's giving them cold sugar. She doesn't talk much to them.
You know I told you, all she needs now is love and attention. Any violent act coming from her?
No, not at all.
That's alright. See, I don't need you to worry yourself. She'll be fine.
I believe so.
Okay, so I need to hurry now.
Alright.
Alright, so it's fine.
It has really been long since we've been together like this. You used to be my biggest strength. At the point I thought I've lost you. But I'm glad you are here with me. You know, I got a contract in the United States of America. I will be off for a while, but my baby, don't be scared. Because I will be with you shortly. I promise you that. I promise you. I love you, my baby. I love you so much.
When are you leaving?
Baby, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay, good night.
Why are you acting like you're angry? What's that, man? What's the problem?
I'm going to miss you. You know you've never left us like this before.
Baby, I'm going to miss you too, but I'm not leaving for long. You know, I will be out for just 1 week and I will come back. Besides, it's for a good cause. It's for our own good. I promise I'll come back and I'll always keep in touch, okay?
I understand.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love you so much.
I love you too.
So you're sleeping already? Just have to take care of the house, okay? And the kids. I know you'll do it.
Yes, I definitely will.
Sure, I will come back very soon.
I'm missing you already.
I'm missing you too. But it's for good. Take care of yourself, okay?
You too.
So we'll talk on phone.
Yes. Cool. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
And this. Pamela. Sure, you can write your name. Write it here. But sister, your name is Pamela, not Benita. Pascal.
Yes, what is it?
I told sister to write her name and she wrote Benita.
So what's my biz? Let her be and continue your drawing.
Continue your drawing. I wonder who is Benita.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Fine. I want to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Who is Benita?
What? Where did you hear that name from?
I told Sister Pamela to write her name and she wrote Benita.
Okay, I think she's mistaken, okay? Benita is no one, alright? It's nothing, okay? And what about your homework? Go finish it, okay? I'll join you soon. Come on. I'm serious about that. Just let me know when you have it. Let's see that. Look. If you get it, I'll buy it from you. Okay? Okay, Angela, see, I'm serious. Get it, I'll buy it from you, okay? Okay. Later, eh? I'll call you back, okay? Let me call you back. Yeah, bye. Benita, what is the problem?
I'm okay, I'm fine.
You don't look fine. Come on, talk to me.
I said I'm fine.
Look, we've been friends for how long? A long time. And now we are roommates. I can always tell when you're not happy. So tell me, what is the problem?
Okay, fine. It's my mom. Since I lost my dad, she has been going through one sickness to another. I hardly concentrate in school. That is not even the problem. My department is going on a field trip and I've not even paid for it. And me not going for that trip is automatically a carryover cost for me.
Wow. I'm sorry about your mom's health. Perhaps she's just missing your dad. Don't you think so? Okay, how much is the cost for the field trip?
It's 8K.
8K. That's not a big deal. It's all right, I'll give you the money.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
You are indeed a good friend to me. I appreciate it.
Come on, you don't have to thank me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, at least now I'm relieved.
Yes, I can see that. But why are you surprised that I said I'll give you the money? We are friends. What are friends for? And besides, do you remember back then in secondary school when you used to do my assignments for me? I was not as sharp as you then. But now I think I'm equal to the tax.
Like seriously? Are we going back to that one?
Yes,
now?
we are.
Please forget about that.
I would forget about it because you did me a huge favor.
At least now I'm a bit relaxed.
Yeah, babe, relax. Could it be Benita? Where did she hear that name from? Oh my God. Why is everything a mystery? Why is everything getting complicated? God.
Your car, this is a car or he goat. Doctor. Let it not be what I'm thinking of. Nkita da atakwa ọkpụkpụ anya nwere ya n'onu. Oga is not around. He pure bata with madam.
Doctor.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
How are you?
Very well, and how are you?
I'm fine. Please, let's go in.
Doctor. They say give injection before you go a palliative syringe. Next thing now, you bully a syringe again.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
So how's the children and your husband?
Oh, the children are fine. My husband is fine too, but he's out of town.
Okay, no problem. Are you okay? You look disturbed.
I'm fine. I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm fine.
Okay, if you say so. What about the girl?
Which girl? Oh, Pamela.
Yeah.
She's upstairs. She's fine.
Hope she's not disturbing.
Not at all. She's not.
Okay.
Did you bring the fire?
Oh, I sent it to the organization.
Okay.
So, how many orphans are you planning to feed?
I'm not so sure yet. I think I need to see them first and then I'll make my decision.
Oh, you know you're such a nice lady. Come on, who on this planet Earth will bring us such time and money to run the charity organization the way you do? Thank God I know you and you're my friend.
Please, I'm on planet Earth, so it's not a big deal.
Your husband must be lucky for you to be his wife.
Clara, did you come here to flatter me? Please, just stop it. Please, stop it. Just take your drink. Stop. Take your drink and let's talk about something else, please.
Okay. No problem.
Please.
No problem.
Who is there? Who is there? Yalla! Who is there? Yalla!
What do you mean someone is in your bedroom?
Nobody is in my bedroom. I don't know who it is. They don't know.
Doctor, this car. Your car, they do to. See, children of these days, they know the rest. Don't go break leg now. Doctor, don't they run up and down. Doctor, when car don't already is the stress. You won't add your own stress. Children, I know the rest. See, small hill where one climb. This one they go Enugu. Now what?
Are you okay?
This is me.
What do you want from me?
The bleeding heart.
What's the bleeding heart?
The heart that was packed years ago.
I want to warn you again. Leave me alone. Stay away from me.
Are you trying to run away from the mission?
I have no mission. Allow me to sleep. Else, I'll hold the entire household. I'll kill them without punishment.
You are not of anything. Not to me yourself.
What are you doing here?
Love, what is going on there? Who and who they fight inside that place? Why that noise?
See, if you need a gossip mate, you better go and find one.
Hey, who employed this one? Hey, have you seen? You see, one of the disadvantages of vacancy. If to say madam no go outside, go paste house girl wanted. They for employ this idiot. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? Ask this idiot question now. He use me shine. I don't want. Darling.
Oh, baby. Thank you.
I missed you.
Missed you more. So how about the kids?
They're inside.
Oh, baby, come on, you lost weight.
I did?
Yeah, you did. It's very obvious.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I am fine. It's not. I'm good. Come on, I missed you so much.
Missed you more.
To strangle me.
Baby, no one needs to strangle you, okay? You're fine.
Sorry, okay? Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
No one wants to strangle you, okay? You're fine. Alright? Okay, go back to sleep, okay? Go back to sleep. But Pascal is here. You're fine. There's no one in your room.
It's okay. Just stay with them, yeah? I will go inside the room. Baby, you are safe, okay? Nothing is happening to you. And Pascal, you just try to sleep, okay?
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
Alright, I'll join you soon, okay?
Yes, hello. What? When did it start? How did it happen? Please, just take her to the hospital, okay? I will come there tomorrow to see her. Yes, don't worry about money. I will send money to you right now. Just make sure you take her to the hospital immediately. Please. Okay, thank you. Just send your account number to me now. Alright. What sort of problem is this? Huh? So that's exactly what happened.
Mysterious indeed.
You see, I don't even understand what's going on. My daughter hasn't been herself since yesterday, and my wife, she has been worried sick.
Yes, Mom, come to think of it. This thing happening in your house started immediately Pamela entered into your family.
What are you trying to say?
Man, I'm trying to say that there's more to this particular thing that is happening.
Greg, you're not far from the truth, honestly. I don't know. At this point, I'm just confused. Meanwhile, I got a call from the village.
What happened?
Mama, she's sick.
Here you go again. Man, you know this woman really hurt you. Why do you always try to risk yourself trying to move her bad?
I know, but there is nothing I can do at this point. I mean, she's my mother-in-law, and she's my responsibility. I have to take care of her.
Anyway, it's up to you. But you have to think about this Pamela issue.
It's okay, I've already made up my mind. I'll be going to the village tomorrow.
It's up to you, bro. If that is what you want.
Take your drink.
My drink.
Sure, it will be fine.
Cheers, bro.
Why is your face like that? Thank you.
Where have you been?
I had a lot of things to take care of in the office. I'm sorry.
You should have called. I was really worried.
I'm sorry, but I'm here now. So you don't need to be worried, okay?
You're welcome.
Is that why you're worried?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm here. You are dead.
Why me?
I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Why me?
I'm sorry.
Time up. Time up! Time up! What is it? What is it? A nightmare. What is it about?
Mommy. Why did sister shout like that?
It's nothing, okay? She's fine.
Mommy, are you sure?
Sure, my darling. I'm sure she's fine. Okay,
Okay, Mommy.
What are you doing here? You're dead!
What are you talking about? I'm coming.
Okay. Got you the juice you asked for. I'll join you soon. I have something on the fire. Mirabelle, what is it? I heard you coughing. I'm feeling so. Sorry, take more. Take more.
No, it's okay, I'm fine.
Okay. What is it?
Mirabelle, I'm feeling somehow.
Of course you are. Think you can take him away from me? Well, he's mine. When you die, he's going to be mine because he was rightfully mine. What the hell do you think you are?
Mirabelle, what are you talking about?
What I'm talking about? You're the good girl, Miss Goody. Desmond, that's what I'm talking about. You think by playing the good girl, you just sweep in and take what I want. He's mine, and you're going to die now, and he will be mine. Well, you failed because you're dying now, and he's going to be mine.
Mirabelle, help!
I can't help you because I poisoned your drink and you're dying. I'm gladly going to watch you die.
Mirabelle.
And you know what? Just hold on. Just hold that last breath, okay? Don't die yet. Don't die yet, okay? Benita, can you hear me? I'm sure you can hear me. Just one more thing. Your daughter is going to run mad till the day I die. Did you hear that? Diego, it's done. I need you now. Now! Hey! Damo!
Desmond, I'm so sorry for your loss. I never believed that something like this could happen to my own friend. My best friend. This is heartbreaking. I still can't believe it. I really can't.
It's okay. I've left everything in the hands of God. I mean, who are we to question God?
Benita, so this is how you left me. Good. Please take heart, okay? What about Pamela?
She's upstairs.
Can I see her?
Of course you can.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Since Mirabel was her friend, I think it is wise for you to marry her, considering the fact that she comes around to take care of your daughter. Please.
Well, Mama, I've thought about it too. I mean, Pamela has already gotten used to Mirabel, and at this point I don't have any other option.
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
She behaved like a saint. I never knew she was the cause of everything that happened to me. Now, where do I start from? Eh? Dad, tell me, where do I start from?
So she killed my daughter. She killed my daughter. Only child. Shall not be well with her. I swear even in the grave it shall not be well with her. Mandari and Amma shall not be well with her.
It's okay. Please calm down. Oh, be cool.
Well, what happened has happened. It's a pity, Desmond, that things turned out this way. But one thing you discover in life is that in every man's life there comes a time of trial. Some face bigger ones, others smaller ones. What matters most is not even the trial, but the aftermath. Desmond, you are still young. Hand over your life and everything about you to God. Allow Him to lead you, and by so doing, you will rediscover your joy. God is still the Almighty. He has not forgotten you. So many people face such situation, and even worse, and still survive it and move on with their lives. Remember the story of Job in the Bible. That story is not a folktale. It happened to a man life. And it is written for we to take example from it. Son, the best is yet to come. Cheer up.